ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ॐ Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 9th verse Sanjaya Uvacha एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम्. Sanjaya said, Rajan, O King Dhritarashtra, Mahayogeshwaraha, great Lord of Yoga, Harihi, Hari. Hari means Sri Krishna, who robs all our sins or robs all our defects. That is why Hari. Evam, thus Uktva, having said, Tataha, then Parthaya. Parthaya to the son of Pritha, that is to the son of Kunti, that is Arjuna. Paramam, supreme Aishwaram, Rupam, the form of Ishvara. Darshaya Masa, showed. So Sanjaya, having spoken thus, he, O king, Sanjaya is saying, O king, he is addressing Dhritarashtra, having told all these things which I just told you, Hari, the great Lord of Yoga, that is Sri Krishna, he showed Arjuna his supreme Ishvara form. So that is why the supreme Ishvara form cannot be seen by ordinary people. That is why he first gave him Divyam Dadami Te Chakshuhu. He gave him the divine eyes. Then he says, now it's a beautiful form. At the same time, it is a terrible form. The cosmos is at the same time beautiful, at the same time terrible. But this difference between beauty and terribleness or terror is not there in the eyes of God. For God or for the ultimate reality, there is no duality in creation. So there is no beauty, there is no terror. It is we who are caught in the mire of Maya, we who are caught in the net of Maya, who think that there is beauty and there is terror. If there is a snake, poisonous snake, that snake can also be beautiful. It may not be beautiful, but at the same time, it is there as part of Ishvara Rupam, Aishvara Rupam, the cosmic form of Ishvara. Can we say that the snake has less divinity than a flower or than a child? It would be absurd to say that. So the snake is equally divine as a flower or a child. But we see the snake, we see terror. Suppose we see a gutter full of filth. Can we think of divinity in that gutter? We might not be able to. But the gutter is equally divine. There is nothing less divine in the gutter. So in the cosmic form of God, there is both terror and beauty as we think of them. But essence of that form is that it is the cosmic form of God. So now Sri Krishna tells, as Sanjaya tells, that this is what Sri Krishna told, or this is what he showed. He showed his supreme Aishvara form. That means Aishvara means that which belongs to Ishvara. That which belongs to of Ishvara is Aishvara. So he showed his cosmic form. Aneka Vaktra Nayanam, Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam, Aneka Divya Abharanam, Divya Aneka Udyatayudham. So this is the form, beautiful form. Aneka Vaktra Nayanam. There are countless, Aneka means countless. Vaktra means mouths and Nayana, eyes. So just think of the entire universe. How many mouths and how many eyes are there? There are the eyes of ant. Ants have eyes. There are the eyes of elephant. There are the eyes of tortoise. A tortoise may live up to, a turtle may live up to 400 years. There are the eyes of, we don't know, but virus also does not have this kind of eyes, but it has its own mechanism of direction. So there are, the virus also is eating, coronavirus is eating so many things. So aneka vaktra, aneka nayanam. So many eyes and so many mouths are there. Vaktra, mouths, Nayana, eyes, Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam, and so many wonderful sights. If you use a microscope, you will see wonderful things going on. If you don't use the microscope, with the naked eye, you can see so many wonderful things going on around you: flowers, trees, people, dogs, cats. Some people, they fight like cats and dogs. So cats, dogs, mountains, rivers. Then whether at the subtle level, whether at the micro level, microscopic level, or at the macroscopic level, you will find so many beautiful things going on. Also, they are not just sights, events also beautiful event going on. If one just thinks of corona as a beautiful event, what is this event? An organism which is not visible to the naked eye has made the life, has completely shattered the lives of human beings who are supposed to be the most intelligent beings on earth. So this is a beautiful thing. How did this happen? So people are suffering. So if we say this is a beautiful thing, one might get beaten also. But the point is that this is inexplicable. How does this happen? Just like mosquito. Mosquito is such a small creature. But to protect ourselves from the creature, we put ourselves inside a net. So there are so many wonderful wonderful phenomena happening in the world. Not one, not two, not three, countless. Aneka, countless, adbhuta darshanam, wonderful things are happening around us in this universe. Aneka, you send some probe to Mars and that also gives you pictures, wonderful things outside earth also. Aneka divya abharanam, divya, celestial, abharanam, ornaments, aneka, numerous. At that, when night comes and if you go on the top of some mountain where there is comparatively less population, then you will have less of light pollution. Light pollution will be less. So you will not have much pollution above. Put a telescope and see what wonderful things are there, on the sky. You can see different types of constellations. So these are all what? These are all divine abharana, divine ornaments. Milky Way, our galaxy is there. Divine ornaments. So aneka divya abharanam. Numerous divine ornaments are there. Then divya aneka udhyata ayudham. And also in those divine ornaments we see many divine or celestial weapons are lifted. Udhyata means lifted. That means if you see, you can see something like an archer in the constellation. Archer is there. Then there are some other things are there. Somebody is sitting on a bull and trying to strike, etc. So many beautiful things are there in the galaxy, as though people are going on war, as though people have taken their weapons and held it up, holding high their weapons. All these we see. Then divya malyam baradharam, divya gandhanu lepanam, sarvascharya mayam devam, anantam vishwatomukham. Divya malyambaradharam. Ambara means dress. Malya, garland. Mala. So it looks like people have worn divine garlands and dresses. When it is monsoon season, during day, suddenly it will become dark. Suddenly it's as though the skies have gone and put on a dress of black dress. Suddenly the sky becomes dark. Though the sun is there, you will find suddenly skies become dark. So divya ambaradharam, celestial some dress. Then when it is sunset, suddenly the sky becomes red. So again, dress changing. Just like in fancy dress competition, some people, they even when they are living in their houses, they do fancy dress. Suddenly they will go and come and change their dress and come. Or in the movies, they suddenly change dresses. Like that, God is also changing dress. Divya Malyambarandaram. Divya Gandha Anulepanam. Also, they are applying celestial perfumes, Gandha. There are some flowers, if you go to those flowers, near the flowers, wonderful smell. Here we have Nagalinga flower. People who go sitting in the bus, they are crossing the ashrama, they are getting the smell. They are saying, oh, when we cross the ashrama on the road, we get this beautiful smell. So we know that we are crossing the ashrama. Do you know that? People get that smell. Nagalingam flower. So it is as though God has applied the perfume of Nagalingam, not Chanel perfume, but Nagalingam perfume. Chanel perfume, do you know about Chanel? So Nagalingam. So Nagalingam perfume. So Divya Gandhanu Lepanam. That is divine perfumes they apply. Sarva Ashcharyamayam. And everything is so wonderful. Wonderful. So many things are wonderful. There is this Nagalingam flower itself, so wonderful. There is this flower, and inside that flower there is one Naga, then there is a small lingam, exactly like Shiva Linga. How did God make that? We don't know. Wonderful. So, all wonderful. Devam, also Devam, means it is all luminous, emitting light, resplendent. It's all luminous. Div, the root Div means light. So Devam, Anantam, and it is all infinite, boundless, without any boundary. Vishwato Mukham, contains everything. This is the glory of God's creation. This is the glory of God's creation. And now comes an important verse of the Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna says, according to Sanjaya, Sanjaya is saying that Sri Krishna did this. What did he do? Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhaved Yugapaduttitha Yadhibha Sadrishi Sasyad Bhasas Tasya Mahatmanah. Divi, in the sky, Yadi, if Surya Sahasrasya, of 1,000 suns, sun, S-U-N, sun, Bha, light or splendor, Yugapat, at once Uttita Bhavet. Suppose on the sky at once 1,000 suns were to rise. We see only one sun rising. If we see 1,000 suns rising, Sa Tasya, that of that Mahatmanah, of the mighty being. Who is the mighty being here? Lord, who is showing his Vishwarupa. Bhasah Sadrishi Syat. So that would be equivalent to the splendor or the light of this God, Sadrishi, like Syat would be. That means Sri Krishna is showing his Vishwarupa in such a way, it is comparable to if there were 1,000 suns rising together on the sky, how it would have been. It is comparable to that. This was when for the first time during the Second World War, a group of 40 plus scientists, all Nobel laureates, they did some experiments and they created a disastrous thing. They created the nuclear bomb. Nuclear bomb they created. And it was based on the finding or the theory of Albert Einstein. E is equal to mc square. The special relativity theorem. So they made a big bomb, nuclear bomb out of that. And the team was led by Robert Oppenheimer. So he was also a Nobel laureate. It's a German. Robert Oppenheimer. And so he had read Gita. So when he saw this, when they have to go to a very distant place, from there they will control the explosion. So from there he controlled the explosion, and when he switched it on, and when the whole atom bomb, when it came out and above, it was totally blinded. They were blinded with the light. So even though it was many miles away, they were blinded by the light, and at that time he told this shloka. Divi saurya sahasrasya bhaved yugapat uttita. Yadiba sadrishi sasyat bhasas tasya mahatmana. So the light of nuclear reaction was like as though 1,000 suns had come on the sky. So this universal form, Vishwa Rupa, Vishwa universal Rupa form, this is like that. It is excellent. It is unparalleled. It is like 1,000 suns have come on the sky. And then Sanjaya says, Tatraikastham Jagat Krishnam Pravibhaktam Anekadha Apashyad Deva Devasya Sharire Pandavastada. Tada, then Pandavaha, the son of Pandu. That means here Arjuna. Tatra, there, Deva Devasya, of the God of gods, means Sri Krishna in his cosmic form. Sharire, in the body. Anekadha, in many ways. Pravibhaktam, divided. Kritsnam, the complete Jagat, universe. Ekastham, in one place. Apashyat, saw. So, what happened then? Arjuna saw that in the body of this God of gods, or in the huge body of Sri Krishna, the whole universe was residing. Everything in this universe was residing in that body with its various divisions. So, all kinds of living creatures, all kinds of birds, animals, fishes, aquatic creatures, everything, all kinds of trees, everything is inside the body of Sri Krishna, or the body of Lord. So everything is having the same source, that is God. And seeing that he was, so if there is frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake it is eaten by eagle, eagle is eaten by something else. So everything is inside Sri Krishna's body. Tataha, at that time, then sa Vishmaya Vishto Krishta Roma Dhananjaya Pranamya Shirasa Devam Kritanjali Rabhashata. So, Pashyame Partha, Sri Krishna said, look at me, look at my divine form. So here when he showed his divine form, what happened? Then Saha Dhananjaya, that he, Dhananjaya, one who has conquered wealth. That means here it refers to Arjuna. Dhananjaya Vismaya Avishtaha. He is filled, overwhelmed with Vismaya, wonder. Krishta Roma. And he is horripilating. His hairs are standing on their end. When you see something very thrilling or very frightening, then your hairs stand on the end. Also, they stand on the end when you get an electric shock. That's a different thing. So, Krishta Roma, if you get an electric shock also, they will stand. Krishta Roma, please don't try that in your home. Krishta Roma. Krishta Roma means with hairs standing on end. Devam, to the Deva. Deva here means to the Lord, Sri Krishna. Shirasha Pranamya. Shirasa, with his head, Pranamya, bending, Kritanjalihi, with joined hands like this. Anjali means hands. Krita Anjalihi. Anjali means palms like this. Joined palms. This is Anjali. So doing Anjali, Abhashata, he spoke. So once he saw this whole thing, entire universe in one body, then Arjuna immediately became very devoted, and he said, Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said. What did he say? Pashyami devams tava deva dehe sarvams tatha bhuta vishesha sanghan brahmanamisham kamalasanastham rishinscha sarvan uraganscha divyan. Here Arjuna is describing the body of the cosmic form of Sri Krishna. He is just describing what he is seeing. He says, Pashyami devaham. Deva, O Deva, tava dehe, in your body, sarvan devan tatha bhuta vishesha sanghan. Sarvan, all Devaha, Tatha, and Bhuta Vishesha Sangan, all the grades of beings, Isham, the Lord, Kamala Sanastham, seated on the Kamala Asanastham. So, Kamala means lotus, Asanastham means seated in the asana. Who is seated in the asana of lotus? Brahma. Brahmanam, Brahma, four-faced Brahma. Rishin, Rishi, also Rishis. Cha and Sarvan, all. Divyan, divine. Uragan, serpents. Cha and Pashyami, I see. So, he says, Arjuna says, I see all the gods in your body and I see all the different types of beings. Bhuta Vishesha Sanghan. Sangha means group. Groups of different types of beings. So, like animals, birds, etc. I see. Brahma. I see the four-faced Brahma. Who is Kamala Asanastha, who is seated on the lotus. And also I see different rishis. Swamiji said, rishis are seers of truths. Sayanacharya says, Rishayaha mantra drashtaraha. So rishis are seers of mantras. They can see mantra. They are seers of mantra. Uragancha, Divyan Uragancha Pashyami. Also I see celestial serpents like Ananta Naga. Ananta Naga is a celestial serpent. Ananta Naga means Naga. Naga means serpent. Ananta, on which Sheshanaga, on which Lord Vishnu is lying down. So that serpent, I see all that. That is what Sri Krishna says. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.